In this tutorial, we will see a use case of how to check followers and send automated responses. Select trigger when comment received. Choose the channel and the specific post. You can select the post by clicking on Select Post. Add condition such as is or contains. Enter the trigger text, for example, offers. Then click on Save. After saving the trigger, add a send text message block. This block will automatically send a reply to the user's comment. Make sure you check reply as comment so the response goes directly under their comment. Next, add a send question block. Create a button, for example, more details. After this, add a check if follower block. This block checks whether the user is following your Instagram account. If the user is a follower, add a send message block that delivers your offer details. If the user is not a follower, add a send questions and message block with a button such as following now. If the user clicks following now, add a go to block and link it back to step 4. Check if follower. Once the user follows, they will automatically receive the offer details. And that's how you can set up a bot trigger, check follows, and send automated responses. Thank you.